Okay, this trick is called dumb mirrors. Um, it's a very, very good trick. So let me get started. So, you see, we have we have one king, we have two king, we have three king, and we have four kings. Okay, four kings. Now, bring them all together and shake it up a little. One of them flips over. Got one king. Flipped over king, two king, and three king. Looks like we lost ourselves the four clubs. Bring it together, shake it up a little. One king, four clubs, flip itself back over. Two king, three king, and we've lost the four of diamonds. Show you how this trick is done. It's done with mirrors. That's right, you heard me. I said mirrors. See? Okay. So you know, that we've got mirrors here, mirrors there, mirrors everywhere.